It's not easy to remove stubborn food pieces from the dishes in just a single cycle. And it must be irritating to see water spots on your glasses, even after a run through the dishwasher. LG's TrueSteam uses high-temperature steam to melt away baked-on, caked-on food from your dishes. TrueSteam is powerful, yet gentle, suitable for both heavily used pots and pans, as well as delicate glassware, and reduces the need to pre-wash your dishes. With its upgraded drying performance, TrueSteam washes your dishes sparkling clean with 50% less water spots. No matter the type of food, LG dishwasher will maintain your dishes more clean and hygienic with fewer water spots.